Hey dudes, so today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I got this Bob the Tomato marshmallow stick on Easter this year, and I figured, why not put it in the microwave? So, let's do it. Sorry. Just Bob on a stick and the plate. Alright, how long should we put in there for? By the way, this is Rich, the behind the scenes crew. How long should we put in there for?
2 minutes, man.
2 minutes.
Keep an eye on it.
Okay. 2 minutes.
It's gonna take 2 minutes, but it'll take on 30 seconds.
Here we go. Oh. For a second I thought Bob was oh wait. Oh my god!
His head's exploding.
His eyeballs is popping. Oh no, poor Bob the tomato.
Yeah, he just threw up. He's like collapsing now.
Should I stop it?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, it looks like a melted tomato, for real. I don't know if I can smell it, because to me it smells like nothing at all. Okay, so, oh! 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 It's all gooey now. Look at...
See?
Oh! Oh! It's like blood clot, if you know what I mean. Like blood clot, it came out of your nose.
Yep.
Oh. So apparently that's what happens when you put Bob the tomato, not real Bob the tomato, but Bob the tomato marshmallow in the microwave. And let me know what other funny stuff you want me to do in the comments below. For me and my stepfather Rich, we'll see you next time.